Good morning, teacher. My name is Mariana Condolo. I am going to describe an Miss fair. I can't see a cloud sky around it. There are several houses, and in the background there are large, beautiful mountains covered with green forests. They serenade it very natural and peaceful. In this mist there are two young women who appear to be on hill. They are wearing traditional clothes that seem to represent their soul. The young women are taking a break, looking at Stephen for a moment. Said what you see in the picture. What are people are at work already had night youth array. There are young ladies of a course and late arresting. Arrest with now do right had a busy flow. They are on hill nowadays are taken every call. Thank you.